I know a lot of people who have had done plastic surgery, but it's all very natural.
I think it's like the opposite because sometimes when like patient wants to do like many things, the doctor or surgeons recommend like not to do because they think it's not good for their futures or it's not, they don't need it.
Would you choose plastic surgery in Korea over other countries?
I've saw a lot of results for the past 8 years of working. So definitely yes, the results are great, it's natural.
Is it risky to go to Korea for plastic surgery?
I meant this.
I don't think it's risky. Actually, Korea in general is a really safe country. The surgeons here are really good, really qualified. I think you don't have any problem if you come here. The treatments are really good. They have many follow-ups, so I think there's no risk at all.
All the surgeons are qualified, very experienced. They do much more surgery, I think, much more procedures than other countries. So I think you should definitely come to Korea for plastic surgery.
I couldn't vouch for all of the clinics, but I feel like majority, almost all of the clinics, especially the clinics that we work with, they're very safe, so nobody needs to worry about anything.
Do plastic surgeons recommend too much surgeries?
In our partner clinics, like they don't do upselling.
I think it's like opposite because sometimes when like patient wants to do like many things, the doctor or surgeon recommend like not to do because they think it's not good for the futures or it's not, they don't need it. I mean, of course, it's doctor recommendation. At the end, if the patient wants to have it, they will perform if it's like safe.
Koreans like the natural beauty. They like to enhance their beauty, so they never like recommend anything over the top.
Do Korean people have an open mind towards people who get plastic surgery?
In general, we're so open to talking about it, so I think you can just get it.
Yeah. People in Korea are more open towards plastic surgery. They don't mind talking about it, even at cafe, in public places. Even if you walk outside with like very swollen and bruised face, like people wouldn't mind. But if you do the same thing in Indonesia, if you talk about plastic surgery in a cafe, people would be like, oh. And then if you walk outside, maybe like nowadays they're changing in certain areas, like in business district, like in Indonesia maybe, but not all.
Here people are really used to plastic surgery already. So I think, yeah, they don't care about that.
Have you had any emergency situations with the patients?
Recently, I had this patient, she had the facial contour done. One of the checkup, she had like very big swelling in one side of her face. So the doctor checked on her and he said like probably can be like kind of infection. So he checked, so he said like yeah, there was infection. So right away that same day, he had to do like irrigation surgery to remove the infected area. And they did right away. It was like kind of emergency. After that, he feels okay.
There are a lot of like types of emergency, maybe like financial emergency because they didn't prepare enough cash or card, so they would like call their family because their surgery is in like an hour. But like everybody is okay. I think like at the end they managed to get financial problem resolved and they got the surgery. But in some other cases also we need to reschedule.
I don't think I've had any emergency situations with patients. Maybe like the running thing where they don't prepare enough, but other than that.
Do you find surgeon recommendations offensive?
If I was a patient and I went for consultation, I don't think I'd be offended. Doctor, he knows what's best for my face, so I would just listen to him and say, oh, okay, I guess I need that.
Generally, like our doctors, they never meant like to offend you and saying, oh, your everything is ugly, your eyes ugly. Our doctor never talk like that. They are always very respectful, but at the end of the day, it depends on like how the person took it.
I think in general, the doctors, they only like recommend or talk about the surgeries like the patient asks for.
Do Korean people do a lot of plastic surgery in South Korea?
It depends on like the person's value. Definitely in Korea, they care more about their appearance. Even if I would say in Seoul, even if they don't have plastic surgery, then at least they would get maybe Botox or like filler or skin treatments because they care about like how they present themselves in front of other people. Definitely in big cities, yes.
I know a lot of people who have had done plastic surgery, but it's all very natural, so nobody even knows that you got it done.
I compare with Spain, for example, you can see in TV show like girls than the guys, but you can see for them sometimes not too natural, so you can see they have plastic surgery, but yeah, actually it's really common to see people having plastic surgery.
Would you choose plastic surgery in Korea over other countries?
I saw a lot of results for the past 8 years of working. I'm working in Korea, in Docfinderkorea. So definitely yes, because the results are great, it's natural, you don't look plastic, and it's safe. Most importantly, it's safe.
Yeah, plastic surgery here is really safe. The surgeons and really experienced are really good. So yeah, I highly recommend.
I agree with everything they said. Extremely safe.
If you're interested in getting plastic surgery, please don't hesitate to contact us and we will answer all of your questions. Bye!
As you all know, being a trans woman, it is quite hard to deal with body dysmorphia, face dysmorphia. I just want it to be the same face because I do work with a lot of luxury big brands around the world, and my face is my face card. You know, face card never declines. By making your dreams come true is by finding